Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andre Jomo, lecturer at Berkeley College. So today we will work on creating a semisphere. So let's get started. I'm going to use a circle here. To be honest, the diameter does not really matter here. So let's draw a vertical line passing through the origin. As you can see, the line can move. We don't like it. We want to constrain the line. So to constrain it, what do? We go right here on vertical constraint. Click on it. Don't worry, everything is fine. Just cancel it, but it's still active. So make sure you pick the origin and you pick this green button here. Click on it. Ah, yes, now you can see that it's fully constrained. It's fully constrained. So let's go on trim. I'm going to trim. Now we are left with half of our circle, of our initial circle. So let's click on finish. Do not go on extrude, but on revolve. Revolve, you can see that this part is being picked already. So we need to select our axis, which is going to be this one. Now we have a full sphere. We want half of the sphere. Remember, we said half of the sphere. So what do we do now? We're going to go right here. Home button, click on it. Pick this arrow right here. Make sure you pick the arrow. You see, the arrow allows you to move and choose the angle that you like. So I'm going to type 180 degrees and okay. As you can see, I've got a semi sphere. Thank you very much. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.